So I'm working on the dishwasher here. I've removed the pump here, and the thing inside there called the chopper, you can see it's kind of jacked up. It shouldn't be sideways in there like that. And this thing is just held in place by, it's suspended in this rubber piece here, and it plugs into here just like with a barbed connection. And here it's clamped in, and the clamp is sacrificial here. So I'm going to have to, when I go to repair this, I'm going to have to get another clamp. Once you take this off, they don't go back on. So I'm going to need a small clamp to go there. And so it's actually this this connection here. And yeah, the chopper's all chopped up. So I'm going to open that up and take a look inside. Not supposed to look like, well, so no wonder the dishwasher hasn't been working very well. This is just sitting in here like that. It's supposed to engage in there like that. And this thing is just like gotten torn to pieces. And I've been finding these little bits of metal in my dishwasher, and I guess I should have known what that meant, but I've been finding things like this. And so I'm going to clean this out, and hopefully I can salvage this rascal.